So today I'm going to try these spiral curls by Conair. So what I have is L'Oreal Text It Mousse Spray. Her hair was way longer than mine, so I'm pretty confident that all of this is going to work. And basically, she has her hair parted, semi-wet, and she took bigger chunks at the front. You take this little rod thing, and you just loop it around. Now my problem with the first time doing this, I have this all looped around, right? And then you're supposed to like bend it in and tighten it like that. Okay. Like squeeze it just a bit and it will stay. So let's see. Let's see if all of these stay.
She looks like California. She sings like a summer breeze. Her eyes say, pull me closer.
Wait, see how it like falls already? It's like I didn't pull it up tight enough. Okay, it's fine. That's fine. I don't know what I'm doing. See how it's like already falling out? I guess my issue with this is that like so far it just doesn't look like this is gonna be some kind of beautiful hairstyle in the making. Like this looks like a fucking disaster. Keep curling this one, I guess, I don't know. I don't know how you like just twist it into a perfect knot and then all of your hair just stays in. Alright, a little bit more. Okay, I need to wrap this up in some kind of scarf, so I need to find a scarf. Haven't found a scarf. Don't know if this helps me. I found this beanie. It's a Bluetooth beanie, so it plays music. I don't think it's charged. I don't think. Okay. I don't think this is gonna work. Found my scarf. So, I can't leave the house like this. I cleaned it all back. That should work. Yeah? Just like wrap it up. Actually, this isn't terrible. Now I just have to figure out how it's gonna stay like this. Oh, I guess loop it. Alright, I'm going out like this.
Alright, ready to see it? Look at what I've been doing.
Oh my god.
Alright, let's see.
Person.
Alright,
Oh my god.
look at
Where did you get these?
Target.
Alright.
Is it cool?
That's curly. It's curly AF.
Blue.
That one's not the greatest. Oh, the bottom is. Alright.
I feel like it's like too much.
It's a very curly. Oh my god. How long did it take to put them in?
I don't know.
Too long?
According to the video, I took like 20 minutes.
Did you sleep with that scarf on your head?
Yes.
It's very, very curly.
Oh my god.
It's like very curly.
You should try it. How long is it? Oh,
I
yeah.
have long enough hair.
It's probably dirty enough to fit.
Perfect. Oh my god, how many you got left?
Get out.
You got a crap ton of hair. This back one, man.
Whoa.
It's like a curly nest. Not there's anything wrong with a nest. Oh my god. I don't know, man. Go watch some more tutorials. It's better than I thought. It's so curly. I've never seen this curly.
Whoa, this is like straight up knot.
It's a little. It's got some knot action.
Help.
No, I think just driving home on like a
Windows
a crappy road with the window down, it's gonna like, and then it'll be the right amount. But damn. Oh my god. There you go.
Well, it worked.
I think it's good.
All right.
Yeah, already.
All right.
Just
Ready to go.
perfect.
Cool.
Ready to perform.
Done.
Done.